Hello friends, welcome again to Codex and my name is Gaurav. The problem that we are going to discuss today is Java loops and this is the first part. The problem description says this challenge we are going to use loops concept which will help us to solve some simple math. So let's look into the task. Given an integer n, print its first 10 multiples. Each multiple will be n into I, where I value is greater than equals to 1 and less than equals to 10 should be printed on a new line in the form of n into I equals to result. Given a single integer n and we will take it from a scanner and the constants are given something like n value should be greater than 2 and less than equals to 20. So yeah, and the format should be n into I equals to result, and we will have to print 10 lines because we have to iterate I from 1 to 10, and it should print n into 1 equals to the result, then n into 2 equals to the result, something like this. If the input is 2, we are printing the table of 2, like 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, like this. Now we understood the problem. Let's jump to the solution part of it. So here you can see we are accepting integer n from scanner dot next line. This concept I have already covered. You can check it out. The link into the I description. Now let's quickly try to write the code for this. So let's do for int y equals to 1, because it is already written I should be greater than equals to 1 and less than equals to 10. So I should be less than equals to 10. They have already mentioned in the problem. Now what we have to do, first should print the n, then space, then this symbol, then space, then I, then space, then equals to symbol, then again space, the result, which is 2 into 1. Let's try to write it up. We have to do system dot out dot println. Now we have to print n, so it will be n plus space into space. Okay. Now then again I should be space, sorry, space I've already given is this space, then into, then space, then should print I, which is I plus space equals to space plus, just do n multiply I. That's it. Try to run this code. As you can see, it is printing in the same format. Now submit this code. We can see this was a simple solution for it. This problem can also be solved using the other two loops concept which are in Java, that is while loop and do while loop. If you want to see those solution, click on this editorial part. You can see here a nice editorial given by this person. You can see the while loop, for loop, using do while should also be there, so you can read this out. I have just covered the for loop concept for this tutorial. That's it friends for today. I will be providing the problem and solution link into the description. Also, if you like this video and if you are new to my channel, Please don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends.